The world is changing. A silent revolution is underway, transforming industries and reshaping our lives. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's already having a dramatic impact. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our existence. The AI revolution is creating a new breed of entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a savvy investor, or someone who wants to secure their financial future, AI offers a wealth of opportunities. The key is to understand how to navigate this exciting new landscape and develop a strategic approach to leveraging AI for wealth creation. The rapid rise of AI has been accompanied by a wave of excitement, but also a fair share of hype and misconception. AI is not a magic wand, it's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill and knowledge of the user. Thanks to the rise of cloud computing and online education platforms, the barriers to entry for AI have never been lower. The allure of AI-powered riches is undeniable, but the reality is far more nuanced. AI, while a powerful tool, is not a magic button for instant wealth. The journey to leveraging AI for wealth creation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a deep understanding of both the technology and the domains in which it's applied. The rapid pace of AI advancement has created a significant skills gap. Many people are intimidated by the perceived complexity of AI, assuming that it's the exclusive domain of programmers and data scientists. However, a basic understanding of AI concepts coupled with domain-specific knowledge and problem-solving skills can go a long way. As AI becomes increasingly intertwined with wealth creation, it's crucial to address the ethical and societal implications that arise. The pursuit of AI-driven wealth should not come at the expense of social responsibility. It's essential to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably and that its development and deployment align with human values. The financial markets have always been a hotbed of innovation, and the rise of AI is no exception. AI-powered investing is transforming the way we analyze data, identify trends, and make investment decisions. Today, sophisticated AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data, providing investors with a significant edge. AI isn't just for investors. It's also a game changer for entrepreneurs. The ability of AI to automate tasks, analyze data, and personalize experiences is opening up a world of opportunities for innovative businesses. With cloud-based AI platforms and open-source tools, anyone with a good idea and a bit of technical know-how can build and launch an AI-powered business. One of the most profound impacts of AI is its ability to automate tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. For businesses, AI-driven automation offers a powerful way to boost productivity, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can free up their human employees to focus on higher-value activities. The rise of AI-driven automation has sparked widespread concerns about job displacement. While some jobs will inevitably be automated, technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The key to thriving in an AI-powered world is to adapt to the changing job market and embrace new opportunities. Meet Alex, from skeptic to AI entrepreneur. Alex, a former marketing consultant, approached the world of AI with skepticism but was drawn to AI-driven market analysis. As Alex immersed himself in the world of AI, his skepticism transformed into fascination. He realized that AI wasn't just a buzzword, it was a powerful tool with the potential to empower individuals like him. Armed with his newfound AI knowledge, Alex set out to identify a business opportunity. Utilizing AI-powered market analysis tools, Alex began scraping data from online forums, social media platforms, and e-commerce websites. The AI algorithms uncovered a significant demand for natural sleep aids among young professionals. Alex saw an opportunity to create a natural sleep aid that combined the effectiveness of scientifically proven botanicals with the convenience of a modern product. With a clear understanding of the market and a solid business plan, Alex embarked on his entrepreneurial journey. He partnered with formulators to develop a unique blend of natural ingredients, leveraging AI to analyze clinical studies. Alex embraced AI-powered automation for customer service and marketing, optimizing his operations. By integrating AI into every aspect of his business, Alex operated with efficiency and agility, setting the stage for rapid growth and success. The rewards of risk and adaptation: achieving financial freedom through AI. Within just a few years, Alex's AI-powered business flourished. His natural sleep aid, strategically positioned and marketed using AI insights, became a top seller in its category. Positive customer reviews poured in, praising the product's effectiveness and the brand's commitment to natural solutions. Alex's journey from skeptic to successful AI entrepreneur is a testament to the transformative power of this technology. By embracing AI not as a get-rich-quick scheme, but as a tool for innovation, efficiency, and data-driven decision-making, he was able to create a thriving business and achieve financial freedom. More importantly, Alex's story highlights that the potential of AI is not limited to tech giants or programming whizzes. With the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and access to increasingly available AI tools and resources, individuals from all walks of life can harness the power of AI to create their own success stories. As he shared his story at conferences and workshops, Alex often emphasized that his success wasn't just about the technology itself, but about his willingness to adapt, learn, and evolve alongside it. He encouraged aspiring entrepreneurs to embrace a similar mindset, emphasizing that the true potential of AI lies in its ability to empower human ingenuity and drive positive change. The AI advantage: data-driven decisions and personalized experiences. Alex's story underscores AI's potential in wealth creation through data-driven decisions. In today's market, intuition isn't enough. AI analyzes vast data, uncovering hidden patterns and insights. This empowers informed decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing success. AI also facilitates personalized experiences, crucial in today's world. Alex uses AI for tailored recommendations, marketing, and customer service. Personalization fosters stronger customer relationships and drives revenue growth. This approach extends beyond e-commerce. In finance, AI creates personalized investment strategies. In healthcare, AI personalizes treatment plans. AI's ability to personalize is transforming industries. But AI isn't a substitute for human judgment. Humans must interpret AI insights and make decisions. Success comes from a partnership between human and AI intelligence. The human element: adaptability, learning, and a vision for the future. While AI played a pivotal role in Alex's success, it was not the sole determining factor. His journey highlights the importance of human qualities, such as adaptability, continuous learning, and a forward-thinking mindset. Alex's willingness to embrace new technologies and invest in his own learning proved instrumental. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, complacency is not an option. Those who thrive will embrace continuous learning and adaptability. Success in the AI era demands vision and human ingenuity. AI is a tool, but humans define the problems and envision the future. Democratizing wealth creation: AI as an equalizer, not an exclusive club. One of the most inspiring aspects of Alex's story is that it challenges the notion that AI is an exclusive domain reserved for tech giants and programming prodigies. Alex's background in marketing shows that AI is accessible to individuals from all walks of life. The increasing availability of user-friendly AI tools and online learning resources is breaking down traditional barriers to entry. This shift towards accessibility is fostering a more inclusive technological landscape. By embracing AI with a human-centered approach, we can unlock its transformative power to drive innovation and create a more equitable world. The AI revolution, a catalyst for wealth and transformation. As we've explored throughout this journey, the AI revolution is not a distant promise, it's a present reality reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. The convergence of data proliferation, computational power, and algorithmic advancements has unleashed the transformative potential of AI, creating opportunities for wealth creation and societal transformation that were once unimaginable. From revolutionizing financial markets to empowering entrepreneurs and automating tasks across industries, AI is fundamentally changing the way we live, work, and create value. The ability of AI to analyze vast datasets, uncover hidden patterns, and generate actionable insights is providing individuals and businesses with a competitive edge in an increasingly data-driven world. However, the AI revolution is not without its challenges. The rapid pace of AI advancement has created a skills gap, requiring individuals to adapt and embrace continuous learning to stay ahead of the curve. Ethical considerations surrounding algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential impact on employment require careful consideration and proactive solutions to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The stories of individuals like Alex, who transitioned from skepticism to success by embracing AI, highlight the importance of adaptability, a willingness to learn, and a vision for leveraging AI to solve real-world problems. They demonstrate that the power of AI is not limited to tech giants or programming experts. It's accessible to anyone with the curiosity and determination to harness its potential. Embrace the future. Equip yourself for the AI-driven world. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport. To thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape, we must become active participants, embracing the opportunities and navigating the challenges that AI presents. This requires a shift in mindset from viewing AI as a threat to embracing it as a tool for empowerment, innovation, and positive change. Investing in AI literacy is no longer optional, it's essential. Whether through online courses, workshops, or simply staying informed about the latest AI advancements, we must equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate an AI-driven world. This includes developing a basic understanding of AI concepts, exploring AI tools and platforms, and identifying how AI can be applied within our respective fields. Furthermore, we must foster a culture of adaptability and continuous learning. The skills that are in demand today may become obsolete tomorrow, requiring us to constantly update our knowledge, embrace new technologies, and adapt to the evolving demands of the AI-driven job market. This requires a growth mindset, a willingness to embrace challenges, and a commitment to lifelong learning. The AI revolution is not just about technology, it's about human potential. It's about empowering individuals with the tools and knowledge they need to create a better future for themselves and for generations to come. By embracing AI with a human-centered approach, we can unlock its transformative power to drive innovation, create wealth, and build a more equitable and prosperous world for all. Join the conversation shaping the future of AI and wealth. The AI revolution is not a solitary pursuit, it's a collective journey that requires collaboration, dialogue, and the sharing of knowledge and insights. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential to engage in meaningful conversations about the opportunities and challenges that AI presents, both for individual wealth creation and for society as a whole. What are your thoughts on AI's potential to generate wealth? Have you explored any AI tools or platforms that you found particularly useful? What concerns or questions do you have about the ethical implications of AI-driven wealth creation? Share your perspectives, insights, and experiences in the comments section below. Let's learn from each other, challenge each other's assumptions, and work together to create a future where AI empowers individuals, strengthens communities, and drives positive social impact. The AI revolution is just beginning, and its ultimate trajectory depends on the choices we make today. Let's engage in meaningful dialogue, embrace a human-centered approach to AI development, and work together to shape a future where AI benefits all of humanity.